Hey guys, what's up? It's Liz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we post new weekly workouts here on the Super Sister Fitness Network. Also, if you like this video or you're excited for today's workout, let me know with a thumbs up or leave a comment down below to let me know what you want to see next. All right, let's get started. Today we're going to be doing a tricep exercise for women specifically. So these are a combination of the best tricep exercises that I've found personally as a personal trainer over the years. I'm excited to get started. Make sure you do a couple things in your warm-up like arm crosses, shoulder circles, wrist circles, things like that, and get your heart rate up a little bit so that we can get moving and grooving in a safe manner. All right, let's get started. So all you need for today's workout is a bench or a chair and one set of light to medium dumbbells today. So I'm gonna be using 8 pounds in our workout as we progress. But if you want to, you can start with 2s, 3s, 5s, wherever it is for you, okay? So these first couple, you actually don't need any weight at all. We're gonna be doing a tricep dip on the bench or your chair. So you're gonna take your hands right down below by your sides. Make sure you have a timer set up for 1 minute. I'll be using my phone today with a timer built right in on it, and I'm gonna set it for 1 minute, and we'll be in our tricep dip for that amount of time, and then you can take 30 seconds of rest in between exercises. So you're gonna roll your shoulders back and down, fingers pointing towards your toes. You're gonna scoot your hips off the bench and then lower down, elbows moving straight back, and then exhale to press. Now I'm starting at level 1 here with my knees bent at 90 degrees. If you wanna make this harder for yourself, all you have to do is extend those legs out straight. Okay, so it really depends where you're at, how much you want to push today. I'm going to keep my legs bent because 1 minute is quite a long time to be doing dips. So I'm going to start there, and over time, as I continue to repeat this workout, I plan to extend my legs further and further, as should you. So if you come back and you do this a week from now, or you do it another time this week, make sure that you challenge yourself next time. Good. Inhale to lower, exhale to press. Inhale to lower, exhale to press. Beautiful. So this workout is part of the 7-minute workout series. There's plenty of other workouts in that series that are only 7 minutes long. Beautiful. Scoot your hips back and take 30 seconds rest here in between each exercise. If you want to really push yourself, you don't have to take the full 30 seconds worth of rest, but it's available to you as an option. Now, these 7-minute workouts were designed as a mix and match. So you could do the tricep one followed by a lower body one and call that a full total body workout for the day, or you can just repeat and target one exercise or one body part at a time. Okay, so the next exercise we're gonna be doing for your triceps is an overhead extension. For this one, we do need weight. So I'm gonna actually remain seated. Now you can do this in 2 different ways. You can grip the heads of the dumbbell just like this, taking your arm up, and then exhale, lowering down to 90 degrees. Exhale as you press up. Whoops, I messed that up. So you inhale, lower, exhale, press, just like that, keeping your elbows in your peripheral vision. Or if you want more of a challenge, you can start with double weights. Again, I have 8 pounds today. I'm gonna hit my timer, 1 minute, taking those weights all the way up, keeping the elbows steady where they are, and then exhale to press up. Abs are totally engaged on this one. Good, so you're bending back to 90 degrees in your elbow, keeping your core nice and upright. Muscles hugging in toward your bones, supporting your spine, making sure you don't have an arch in your low back, ladies. Come on, I know you can do it. Take care of your spine. Good. So I'm gonna do as many as I can here within the 1 minute with good form. And then as my form starts to fail, because this is a heavy weight, then I'm gonna switch to one weight and finish out the set. Good. So again, I feel like repeating this is a really, really great way to get a killer tricep workout. In fact, I know it is. So that's always an option for you. Or you can mix and match depending on your needs. Beautiful. Oh, by the way, also, you can always check in with me on Instagram over at Super Sister Fitness. I love hearing from you guys. Good. Bring your weight back in. 1 minute is complete. Beautiful. So the next exercise, again, you have 30 seconds available to you for rest here. And then we're moving into the tricep kickback. For this one, you're actually gonna be standing using both weights here. And this definitely will hit the backs of those upper arms. Whew. So make sure you have your full strength before you go into your kickbacks. For these kickbacks, I'm actually gonna do 30 seconds in one side lunge, and then I'm gonna do 30 seconds on the other side in a lunge so that you can see and so that I get not only core involved more, but also the lower legs. Okay, so 30 seconds flies by. Get ready to set it up. We've got 1 minute. So I'm gonna come up off the bench and take one leg in front, the other leg straight back. Pull your elbows up and kick them back. Good. So we're gonna be 30 seconds on each one on each leg. Good. Beautiful. Try not to swing your weights. Keep your back nice and flat. Abs engaged. Core is in. Belly button in toward your spine. Couple more here. Keep those elbows in. Shoulders back and down. You're rocking it. Strong lady arms. Good. Step the back foot in. Switch legs. And keep it going. Elbows up. Kick it back. So you can see you're getting your total body involved in this one. Neutral neck. Eyes are on the floor. Looking about 2 to 3 feet in front of your forward foot. Beautiful. A couple more here. Don't use your shoulders. Relax your neck. You got it. I'm sweating already. Work in the arms. You got it. One more. Beautiful. Bring the back leg in. Have a seat. And we'll turn our timer off. Okay. Again, another 30 seconds. Open to you here. The next move, actually the last 2 moves, we don't need weight. So you can go ahead and set those off to the side. The next one, we're gonna be doubling back towards our dip. We're gonna make it a little bit more challenging for ourselves, no matter where you are in the distance of your legs in your dips. So this is a single leg dip, which means if your knees are bent, you're gonna cross one leg over for 30 seconds and then switch, 30 seconds on the other side. This takes away some of the stability, forces a little bit more core action, and puts a bit more pressure on those triceps. But if you're in extended leg position, you're gonna just cross your ankles just like this, okay? One side on 30 seconds, and at 30 seconds, I'll let you know, we'll switch sides. Okay, you ready? So pick which level you wanna start at, if you want your legs extended or bent. I'm gonna stick with that bent knee. From here, you're gonna cross your ankle over the knee, bring this foot slightly toward your midline, and then get busy. Good. So in your dips, you wanna make sure that your hips are nice and close to your bench. You don't want your hips way out here. You wanna keep it in nice and close so that you actually load the triceps correctly. Otherwise, you end up putting your shoulders in a weird angle. It's not good. Good. I don't know about you, but my triceps are straight burning. Okay, there's 30 seconds. Switch your legs. Crisscross, applesauce. Other side, here we go. Exhale in, inhale lower. Exhale up, inhale lower. Don't forget to breathe, that part is mandatory. Breathing is not optional, okay? Many different variations of this move. Some of them are optional. Breathing is not one of them. Exhale, press. Good, inhale lower. Exhale, press. Almost there, one more. And time. Carefully set your bench or chair out of the way. We're coming down onto your mat for the final exercise in this circuit, which is the powerful, amazing, one and only tricep push-up. Okay, so after 30 seconds is over, we're gonna come down onto your mat. And this is the last exercise, so find your second wind. You got this, girl. Do not give up on me. You know you can do this. You are stronger than that. Come on, let's go. Okay, 1 minute here. Setting it up, hands under your chest. You can keep your knees down for this. Level 2, feet wide. Level 3, full on push-ups. I'm gonna start with knees down. You wanna take your hands super close to your shoulders. Elbows slide straight back, all the way chest to deck. Exhale, press up. Good. Inhale, lower. Exhale, press. You got it. You're almost there. Keep going. Finish strong. Keep your tailbone tucked, abs in. Come on. It's tough for me too. But you're tough, and I'm tough, and we're tough. It's called Sister Strong. If I can do it, you can do it. Sister Strong. Good. Exhale, press. Okay, come on. One more solid tricep push-up. Elbow slide back, rubbing your rib cage. Exhale, push the floor away. Beautiful job. Come right into a child's pose. Right into a child's pose. Good, so send your hips all the way back. Rest your forehead on the mat. Stretch your arms out nice and tall and catch your breath. That was cray bonnet, let me tell ya. Whew. I'm gonna rock a little bit side to side here, totally cool. Now, this would be the place where if you wanna repeat this circuit, you would pause the video and run it back through. And if you're ready to stretch, then we're gonna go into a couple stretches specifically for your triceps. So choose your own adventure. I like to give you choices here at SSF. Bring your hips all the way down to the mat, get nice and comfy, have a seat, get your sweaty hair out of your sweaty face, and let's stretch out our triceps. Okay, so shoulders back and down. You're gonna take one arm up at a time, bend at the elbow, and gently pull back, creating a little frame for your face, like you're the most beautiful portrait that's ever been painted, because you are. You are beautiful inside and out, and you rock this today. You deserve every bit of the stretch and how good your body feels because of what you did for it today. Inhale up and switch to the other side. Rocking it out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Bring your both arms up and exhale, pull back and down. Congratulations, you just rocked the best tricep workout ever. Thank you so much for joining me. Again, my name is Liz. If you're interested in more weekly workouts and healthy recipe tutorials, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button if you like this workout so that I know, and leave a comment down below for what you want to see next. Or you can also tell me, how many rounds did you get through of today's tricep workout? I would love to hear from you either down in the comments below or over on Instagram at SuperSisterFitness. Thank you so much for joining me. Love you lots.